Not much contact on our ball. That means the radiuses don't match up worth us crap. Yeah, not very good. Way off. Now, S&S makes these out of with roller tips. You don't necessarily need roller tips unless you really get a lot of lift going. One thing about old style arms, they don't break very often. They don't wear out very often. You definitely don't have rollers coming out and failing, that's for damn sure. And you got bushings in here which rarely fail. Rollers down here don't work very well. I found that out years ago. So, there you go. Now, where's my head at? So, the reason we got this set up here is because I have a head right here. But no parts on it. Now I got another one of these heads coming. This is a 114 Scream Eagle, first year 2017, water cooled, 1 year only on CVO bikes, so it's rare. So I'm going to put that on top of my buell blast motor, which I got just done put the crank in here. So that's going to go on top of that. So there you go. We'll make that work someday. So there what they look like. So where is the shaft at? So these do not go on this direction. See, the valves are over here. So it'd be this one goes over here like this. Hey, they even line up. So if you put a shaft on there like that, shut up, goes in there like that. So you wonder where Harley came up with this design? They copied somebody else. Here's an airplane motor, designed in the 50s. Here they got a shaft with a flat spot, but you notice how they got a nice cap that goes over it that holds it all together. So they got a cap on here. See how the cap comes off? So that holds it down really firm. You got a stud with a nut on it. And you got a shaft. The rocker just floats back and forth. That's all it does. Very, very strong, very good. Works like a champ. Harley, they stuck a stupid bolt in here. No support on it. And they wonder why it breaks. Duh. Jeez, let me think for a minute. So, you can't blame Harley engineers being stupid that much, can you? Yeah, you can. All they had to do is cop an airplane motor made in the 50s. And there you go. Alright, so that goes in there like that. Stupid length with no support, but they did it for bolt clearance. But there's no reason for this to be way out here. They could have come out with a clamshell thing right here and supported over here if they wanted to. I know why they didn't do it, because it's easier to make it this way, but anyway, it is what it is. They should have made a lot bigger shaft, a lot bigger diameter to have that much unloaded support, which they could have easily done. They could easily move these things over a little bit to make room for more bigger stuff. But anyway, it goes like that. So these grooves are stupid, not going to happen. Basically, this oil squirts up in the rocker box, hits the top of the box, bounces back down, and lands on the valves. That's what it does. These grooves here do absolutely nothing. They look nice, but they don't do anything. Anyway, so here's your Allen bolts here. There's your 12 point there. That's why they're so long, because they're in these stands. If you look at these stands, they're all cut away under here. So when you put this big long bolt in here, sticks way down there like that. It's not very well supported, and I've actually seen these things broken. The bolts definitely come loose because it's a bad design, and putting studs on there is only going to help it a little bit. What they really need to do is make a cap like on this one, like this, to support it and make it stronger, but they haven't done that yet. They probably never will, because that's too much engineering for S&S to figure that out. So there you go. Alright, there's what all this stuff looks like. So when I get back on this motor, when the other head comes in, we'll do some more videos about that. But for now, that's the stock M8 design. Where's that stupid breather thing at? So these go on the head somehow. So there's your breather bolt right there. So this is your breather that goes in here. Figures I grabbed the wrong one. 50-50, right? So this is a piece of crap plastic goes in here. Pokes in there. Got a bolt over here that holds it. And I'm not sure what this thing's supposed to do, but it's supposed to separate the air and the oil. Obviously the puke hole and drain the oil out. So there's probably several layers of crap on the inside of this thing. It's all one piece only. You can't fix it, change it. So you have to buy a whole new unit when it's bad. Typical Harley. Make it cheaper. Easier for the mechanics to put on. They only need one bolt to do it and one O-ring, and they'll still screw it up. Guaranteed. But you know, we'll make it work. Alright, so that's how you're going to do that. I don't think I'll be using that, but oh well, there you go. Alright, so you go, rocker arms and breathers.